Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the traction control switch on a 07 Mazda 6 sedan. You need any parts for your car? Click on the link below, head on over to 1aauto.com. You have to start by removing the hood cable release mount. I don't want to, if you can see here, you take a flathead screwdriver, and there's a tab that you push up on and you pull at the same time. Okay, so I got it. So you have to take a flathead screwdriver and slide it there and pull down on the tab at the same time. So pull the tab completely down. When that tab gets pulled down, you've got your three sliding ears, and you pull it towards you and it pops right down. Now we're going to remove these two mounting screws. This is an 8mm socket. Grab the kick panel firmly and pull it out. And with that hanging down, we can disconnect the trunk release button, pushing on that tab. We're going to remove our TCS switch, and the tab is right here. I'm just going to grab the switch firmly, grab a flathead screwdriver, push up on that tab, and then on the same, bring my screwdriver in on the top and push down on that tab. If you can find it. There we go. There we go. And with it out, now I can disconnect the lock tab and pull the electrical connector out. And then we have our traction control switch. To install it, we're going to reverse procedure. Line the connector up, click it in, slide it right down, and you'll hear the two tabs lock. We're going to reconnect the trunk switch connector, lock that into place, and you've got all your push tabs location. I'm going to do the top first. Well, actually, on this particular model, you might line the bottom up, and then the top will slide right in. And then just push it on. And now we got those two mounting bolts. We'll mount those. Once those are tightened, we'll grab our hood release cable, and we've got those three tabs that are going to go lined up. Click it into place, and you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.